Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to create a new 3D model. So this is a drawing of the 3D model. So we will draw this base first, this one base. So let's start, check the figure. Okay, now let's start. New part, okay. Front plane, sketch. Okay, now we will draw center lines first. Okay, so go to the line command. There is an arrow here. Go to the center line. Click on center line. Okay, now I am drawing your vertical center line. Okay, as well as horizontal center line. Okay, now go to the line command and draw the outer portion. For OK, there is a shortcut key, escape button on your keyboard. Okay, now I am giving you fillets. Let's check the fillet. This is the radius 19 fillet. Okay, and this one is radius 9. Okay, let's start. Go to the fillet command. Okay, give your radius, type your 9 and select this line and this line. Even do the same on the opposite side. Okay, now there is 19 radius over here on this horizontal plane. Okay, so type here 19, click same on the opposite side. Okay, okay, now we will give the dimensions. Let's check the dimensions. The total length is 74. Look, it's here, and the breadth is 19. So 19 from here and 19 from here, and the half of 74 is 34. Okay, so go to the smart dimensions. From center point, origin point till this point, type 37. Do the same on the opposite side. This one is 19. Okay, zoom in for the point. Okay. Then this one is 37. Okay, see, outline is ready. Now we will give the thickness. Okay, the thickness is here 9, and there are 2 holes here. Okay, from center to center it's 56. Okay, the through holes, so we will create it. Now firstly we will give thickness. Go to the features, extruded box base, and the thickness is 9. Okay, okay, now go to the sketch, select this plane, make it normal. For normal, press Ctrl 8 on your keyboard. Now we will draw 2 circles here and here. Okay, now let's check the dimensions. These 2 holes are of diameter 9. Okay, and the distance is 56. So it's 28 from center point. Okay, so go to the dimensions. So diameter 9, 9. Okay, now click on the origin point, and on the center it's 28. Do the same to the opposite circle. 28. Okay. Now press shift button on your keyboard. Click on the center and on the origin and on this second circle center and make it vertical. Okay. Now these holes are through holes. Okay. So go to the features, extruded cut. Okay. Now make it blind through all. Okay. See, it's done. Okay. Now we will draw this circle. Okay, the diameter of this circle is, this one is 18. Okay, inner circle is 18 and the outer circle is 32 and the inner circle is cutted. Okay, it's through all and the thickness of this circle is 36. So 36 minus 9, it's 27. Okay, so let's start. The height is 27. Go to the sketch. Okay, click on this point, Control 8. Okay, now click on circle command, draw true. Okay, I am not drawing two, I am drawing only single circle here. Okay, this circle. Okay, now go to the smart dimensions. The diameter was 32. Okay, let's check again. The diameter was 32. Okay, 32. Okay, now go to the features, extruded box base. Okay, now the thickness was 36 minus 9, it's 27. Okay, so I am typing here 27. Okay. Okay, now we will draw the inner circle. Again go to the sketch, click on this circle and make it normal. Click on circle command and draw a circle. Smart dimensions, and the diameter of this inner circle is 18. Okay. Now go to the features. It's the cutted. Okay, this circle is cut circle. Okay, so go to the extruded cut. It's through all. It's cutted through all. So click on this and select through all. Okay. See, our diagram is ready. See, now I am adding colors. Go to the edit color, appearances, and here I am giving green color. Okay, now firstly I will save this file. For saving, press Ctrl S. It's the shortcut key. Okay, now I am saving by name exercise 11. Okay, so our part is ready. So thank you for watching my video, and please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.